Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video, we want to show you how to sync a pair of Bluetooth earbuds to your flat screen TV. And so as you can see, for demonstration purposes, we have our 65-inch Samsung TV, and we're going to be syncing it to a pair of Samsung earbuds. Now, if you guys are interested, we will leave links for you down in the description area. Now, keep in mind, you don't have to have a pair of Samsung earbuds or headphones to sync to a Samsung TV. You can sync any pair of Bluetooth earbuds or headphones to your smart TV. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to the TV settings. And when we get to the TV settings, we want to scroll down to where you see sound. And then we're going to select sound. And when we get to sound, we're going to select TV speaker. After we select TV speaker, we're going to scroll down to where you see Bluetooth speaker list and select it. Once we do that, the TV is searching for a Bluetooth speaker or a Bluetooth device. And in our case, it's going to be a pair of Samsung earbuds. So what we're going to do is open up the earbuds like so. And as you can see, immediately the TV picked it up, and we're going to select it because it needs to be paired, and hit pair and connect. And now it says the earbuds are connected. Hit OK. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come out of that, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to exit out of that, and we're going to go ahead and play the video, the YouTube video. Which happens to be mine, and as you can tell, it's not playing. It's at a commercial at the moment. We're going to skip the advertising, and the video is playing, but you don't hear the video because we have the earbuds connected. So if we were to close the top of the earbuds, that would kill the connection for the earbuds to the TV. Once you do that, you can hear the TV playing. And so now that you have the TV connected to the earbuds, whenever you want to use your earbuds, all you have to do is open up the case like so, and go to take them out, and then you will get a prompt on the TV. As you can see, it's asking you, do you want to connect to the earbuds? So we're going to hit connect, and the TV is going through the process of connecting to the earbuds, and now you no longer hear sound. The sound is now being generated through the earbuds itself. So that's it for our video for today. How to connect your Bluetooth earbuds to your Samsung flat screen TV. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button and hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.